Hello? Okay. Hello, everyone. My name is Kingsley from Xingtong IoT. Our company is engaged in barcode scanner. Today, what I'm talking about is how to use a barcode scanner with so many different interfaces. Uh, Please see this. I want to introduce the interfaces to everyone. That interfaces they have USB interfaces. That's acknowledged by everyone. USB, just like this. This is USB interface. This is USB cable, and the second interfaces is RS232 interfaces is like this one. See, this is RS232 interfaces. So, with so many different interfaces, how should we use it? How should we use it? Today, I'm going to talk about this thing. Because many customers do not really know how to use barcode scanner, and sometimes they bought one from me and say and complain it does not work. But sometimes it's not always the barcode's fault. So today I will show you how to use the barcode scanner, how to use this machine correctly. But if you got a USB cable, USB interface, things will be easy. You just need to insert it into the back end of the host. I will show you. Okay. 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 It's working. It's shining. It's one. And let me introduce you about this machine. This machine is a two-dimension barcode scanner. It can read 1D barcode and a 2D barcode. Let's try one. Okay. This is the barcode. This is the barcode for testing. This is a barcode for testing. Let's try. UPCA. Okay. See, just now it's red light. It means it indicates that the machine is decoding the barcode. Okay. Try another barcode. This one. UPCE. Okay. The barcode is very small size barcode. Let's try. Okay. So where does this barcode transmit? You should open a text or Word document and put your cursor on the text or on the Word. when you're scanning the barcode. Sorry. Yeah, when you're scanning the barcode, the information will transmit on your text. Okay, now let's try how to use RS232 interface. This barcode scanner is called we named it XT2003. Yeah, it is an embedded barcode scanner. You can use it when you have a vending machine. Okay, let's see. This cable is fixed. So I can put it out. This back another. It have two interfaces. This is USB interfaces, and this is RS232 interfaces. This USB interfaces is used for charging, for power supply, and this is used for information transmission. So let's try. Remember, you should insert both of them into the back end of the host. Okay. All right. Wait a minute. Okay. Okay. Let me introduce you this machine for you. It is also a two-dimension barcode scanner. It also read 1D and 2D barcode. Okay. Now we remember that this machine is using RS232 interface, right? So we need to scan its RS232 interface setting code. Because when you buy a machine, we will send you the machine, the cable, and the plug and the line, and the quick set menu. In this quick setting menu, you will find its setting code. You can find the RS232 chain setting code in the quick setting menu. Wait a second, okay? Let's find. Okay. This is a quick setting menu we will send to you with the machine. If you buy, of course, if you buy our product, we will send this with the machine, and it will be written in English. Now this is Chinese, but at that time we will send you the English version. Okay, we will find. You can see this is this barcode is this setting barcode is changing the machine into the USB interfaces, and the second barcode setting the second setting barcode it is a barcode changing the barcode into HID pose, and the third one it means changing the machine into TTL232 interface, and this the third one means changing the machine into RS232 interfaces. So if you need to use RS232 interfaces, you need to scan this code, scan the third one, the third barcode, and you can change the machine into the RS232 barcode. And when you scan the barcode, it will show on the screen, on the computer screen. So let's try it. Of course. How to set this menu? How to set this this barcode? First, you have to scan this. First, scan this. Open this setting barcode. Open and exit. Open, setting this RS232 barcode, and then exit this barcode. Now, just now we have scanned this one. And second step, scan this barcode, changing it into RS232 interfaces. Yeah, you hear it? It sounds like some bees, right? Different sound. It means you have set it successfully. And then you have to exit this barcode setting. Yeah. Now let's try. After setting this RS232 interfaces, you have to open your computer manager devices or set device manager. Yes, it's called. You can open your computer's manager device manager. You can't see the computer, so I can't show you. No, just skip this step, okay? You just remember, after you setting this after setting this RS232 barcode, and you have to find what kind of COM you have to what kind of COM you have to set, because if you use RS232 interfaces, you have to okay, wait a second. Yeah. You need a serial interfaces conversion software. A serial interfaces conversion software to transmit your target barcode. To transmit your testing barcode into the screen. If you use a R232 barcode scanner, you could only scan barcode and show its information on the a serial interfaces conversion software. Yeah. This is different between USB and RS232 barcode. Yeah, RS232 interfaces. That's their differences. The USB interfaces, they can transmit the information, the barcode information, and the text and the document and Word document. But the RS232 interfaces, it can only transmit the barcode information into the serial interface conversion. Yeah, serial interface conversion software. And then you open the serial interface conversion of software, and you will find a window for a serial interface window, and open it. You have to choose the right COM number, and choose the right baud rate, your country's baud rate. I don't know. I mean, our China, our country's baud rate often is 9,600. We will set this baud rate. I don't know how about the other countries. You should ask your search engine. And how to find the right COM number? You just open your computer device manager, and you will see there is a COM option, and you click it, and it will show COM what, and you should choose the right COM number, and then okay, there is no computer here, so I can't show you directly. Next time I will put the computer here. Okay. So the key step is you have to use this quick setting menu. Usually we will set this RS232 interfaces setting code barcode. Sorry, let me think about it. Usually, if you buy this barcode and you said you want RS232 interfaces, we would have already set this RS232 barcode. We will have already done this, but just in case of the people's careless, you have to check. You have to. You'd better to set this barcode, and then use your serial interface software to transmit your barcode into your software, into that software. Yeah. No computer, so you cannot see the effect. Okay, now the left hours, I will introduce you about our product. You see, this product is a platform. Its head can change. This barcode, this scanner, we named it XT7110, and it is a laser. It is a laser 1D barcode scanner. It can scan. It can only scan the 1D barcode. And you see this barcode. It has a motto. In the motto, they have they have four mirrors, and between this not between near the surrounded the motto, the window around the window, it is 5 reflected mirrors. So when the motto is transforming, when the motto is transforming, and they will reflect these lines, and it became 20 lines. And this barcode, this scanner is we named it XT 7301, and it has a wide set of sensor. See, no, this red one. Oh no, this yellow one. Yellow to white one is the LED light, and in the inner heart, it is the sensor. It is the camera. So it is a 2-dimension barcode scanner. It can also read 1D barcode and 2D barcode. And this gun is handheld barcode scanner. We named it XT 3004 and 400. Okay, let's put it straight. XT 16 4 and 2 double O. It is
人头高发。
This is also a gun. It is. We named it XT60605. It is also a 2D barcode scanner with 1D and 2D barcode. That's all about this product. Thank you.嗯，看你照不到那个，
没事，你说。
我不玩了，我要说的都说完了，没有了。然后就是最好这里有一个电脑，就好操作一点，就到时候拍的时候，然后电脑就在这边就有那个屏幕显示出来，就数字。Okay. Because my boss needs me to continue to say something about this product, so I will show you this menu. This is a menu about how to set. It is a full documentary. It is a full documentary about our machine. Normally we won't send this document to our customers because it is our company's secret privacy. But now I could show you something about this, but we have no computer, so you can't see the effect. So if you hate when you're scanning this barcode, if you hate its sound, you can turn off its sound, and you could turn down its sound by using this menu. You see, different setting barcode. It has different function. You can turn off the sound. You can open this sound, and you can turn up this sound, and you can turn down its sound. And if you hate the light, if you think the light is very shiny, it will hurt your eyes. You can turn off the light by using this setting barcode. Oh, I will recommend you this machine. This machine is very working. you can scan this barcode in a very long distance. See, it's different from this machine, this XT2001. And it will be, you need to, if you scan it, you have to put your target barcode in a very near. It's very near. This XT2003, it won't. You don't need to close it very close. You don't need to put it very close. You can scan in a very long distance. And so its price is also very high. Its price is also very high. But its performance is very good. It's excellent. And the second to this machine is this one, the 73 series. It is 7301. 7301. It is designed for reading 2D barcode. 2D barcode. Show you. I will show you. Okay. Oh, not this one. It's this one. Okay, you can see this machine. It has, guess how many lines does it have? I just explained it just now. You're right. It's 20 lines. 20 lines because in its motor it has 4 mirrors and surrounded with 5 reflected mirrors. So 5 multiplied by 4, it is 20 lines. Also, you can, when you press this button, this is a button. 真的啊？那你播个屁，播这么久？我不知道呀，这个可以算是因为你放的视频。喂，放的视频，那这个还能不能？
放的视频，
放什么？
放的视频，看一下这个东西是不是正常的。
怎么弄？
随便在 YouTube 上面打开一个视频。
那我这个还播不完，不播了好不好？
可以播，可以继续点那个加号，点加号，点加，对，再点一个 YouTube，搞个声音出来就可以，放首歌也行，随便点一个。
好，点一下，随便点一个。
听得到吗？
听不到。
等一下，他还没来，听到吗？听到没有？
没有。啊，疯了，
来了这，
没有疯了，没有。
还没有。
嗯，
你再重新点一下，真的没有吗？把声音放大，
没有。
你把你那个声音放大。
是啊，我放到最大了。
有吗？有了吗？
啊，有了，有了。
好，你继续播。
那我重新播吗？
你可以不重新播，你接着播一个小时就够了。
OK. My colleague just reminded me that I forgot this earphone. Sorry. Hello, you can hear me? Oh. Hello? I think you can hear me. Okay. Let's try to explain our products again. I'm Kingsley from Xingtong IoT Technology Company. Today I will 怎么了？可以了，可以了。你要说什么？
我看那些后面说，这个线是反的。
是反的。哦，你说要反过来啊？
不是。
为什么？
是的。你这边什么时候大概结束？
我现在就可以结束。
那你现在结束了？
怎么了？
试一下。
对，反正我就已经播完了，然后他就说这个麦克风没有带。
啊？
麦克风没带。
什么麦克风没带？
这个。
你现在说话没有声音吗？
那刚刚没插起来，肯定是没声音。
哦，你刚刚那下面没插是吧？
啊。
有可能是，我就试一下看。有 QQ 吗？
你看视频不弄了吧？按播完吧，不弄了。
弄了。好吧，我再播一遍。
那先轻播。
那我再播一遍哈。很快的。Okay. Because it's the first it is the first time I use this platform, so it's very situation become very complicated. So I will try to explain how to use a USB interface and how to use a RS-232 interface again. Okay, because many customers do not really know how to use a scanner. I mean, with different cables, with different interfaces. So sometimes they bought one from me and complained. It does not work, but sometimes it is not always the scanner's fault. So today I will show you how to use this machine, how to use these scanners correctly. But before we are ready, we need to know what kind of interfaces you have got. If you got the USB interfaces and use it, things will be very easy. You just insert this plug into the back end of the host. I will show you. This machine, they have two interfaces. I will explain it later. Now I will show you how to use a USB cable. We just insert the USB into the back end. Remember, back end, because the back end of the host its power is more big. See this is the indicating light. When I insert this USB interface, the USB cable, this place will shining. Let's see. See, it's green light. It means it is a standby mode, standby station. And so this pane box, is a two-dimension barcode scanner, and it can read 1D barcode and 2D barcode. This is barcode for testing. So let's try it, because the computer is using for the video, so I have no computer to show you. You just listen the sound, okay? Yeah. This. And this pane box, we named it XT 2001 or 1B. You have this pane box. Its performance is not very well, but I mean it's scanning distance. You have to put this barcode very close to it, very close. So its performance just so, not very good. So when you scan this barcode, and the barcode information will transmit to your to your course place. Where is your course, and the barcode information will transmit to this place. So of course, you have to open text or Word document, and you put your mouse cursor in the text on the text, and when you're scanning, the barcode information will transmit to the screen, and you will see the barcode. This is how the USB cable scanner use. Okay, let's try another one. This box, it is also a box, but different from this box. This box called XT 2003. Its scanning ability is very great. It's excellent because you can scan the barcode near very long distance. This distance you can scan the barcode, and it has also a USB and RS-232 interfaces. Now we used RS-232 interfaces. So, but I have to say that if you use RS-232 interfaces, you must have a serial serial interface conversion software. You must have a software called a serial interface conversion software, and you can only transmit your barcode information on this software. You can't transmit your barcode information onto the text document or Word document. That's the difference. That's the difference between RS-232 interfaces and USB interfaces. Now let's show it for you. Because we have no computer, so you may not see the effect, but it doesn't matter because later we will put a computer here. So next time I will put a computer here, and you can see the effect. Here. I have to say, you should also insert these two interfaces into the back end of the computer host. This USB cable is used for charging, used for power supply, and this RS-232 interfaces cable, in RS-232 cable is used for information transmitting. So both of them you have to insert into the back end of the host. Okay. See. This is indicating light. It's green. It's green. You can see it. It's green, and the two sides is lighting. Is a LED lighting for makeup. It's a makeup light. And because we used this, we used the RS-232 interfaces, so we have to scan this quick setting menu. This quick setting menu, if you buy our product, we will send this quick setting menu with this machine. What does it used for? It is used for changing the interfaces. You see this is entering the setting code. Each time you need to use this setting code, you have to enter the setting mode. You need to enter in the machine and then scan this setting code. This barcode means return this machine into its return its original status, and this barcode, it means changing the machine into the USB interfaces. And the second barcode, this setting barcode, it means change this scanner into the USB HID pose interfaces. And the third setting code, it means if you scan this barcode, it will change the machine into the TTL232 interfaces. And the third one is changing this machine into RS-232 interfaces. So if you use RS-232 interfaces, you have to entering and then changing the machine into the RS-232 interfaces, and then exiting the machine. So when you're done this step, and you can scan barcode and transmit this barcode information into your serial interfaces conversion software. But because we have no computer, so I can't show you what it is in the serial interface conversion software is. You just know. Maybe I will show you next time. Okay, next time I will put a computer here. I just show you how does this machine scanning. This machine is also a 2D barcode scanner. It can scan 1D and 2D barcode. This barcode is for testing. Let's try it. Oh, okay. No. Okay. Yeah. This long distance. This distance. This is code 93. Code 93. Cameo. This no, sorry. This is code 11. This is code 11. Cameo. This is ISBN code 5 mil. You can see just now I used this plain box, and its scan distance is this long, this far, and this scanner you can see just now it can scan a barcode into and there, yeah. So its performance is excellent, but it's usually used in a vending or locker. Now that's all about today's introduce. Thank you.